have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Keep copy sequence.
Hello! Hey guys! Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nikki, Spice Cinderella. For today's video, we are back in our kitchen! My sister will be joining us! Yay! And we have again, Lily po! At over here, Lily! Today, gagawin namin, magbibig kami ng cookies. Kasi, if you guys been following me sa IG, I've been craving cookies like for 3 days na. So, pinilit ko yung sister ko na mag-bake ng cookies kasi mahilig siya mag-bake. So, magbibig kami ng cookies today. And, plano din ni Ate Mikey na ibenta or sell the cookies online if possible. So, kaya if gusto nyo mapanood to, just stay tuned. And if gusto nyo bumili ng cookies if ever sa future, follow us on Instagram at Spicy Cinderella and my sister at Nikki Regs. Kasi doon namin promote yung cookies if ever we're gonna sell them. So, yeah. Ito na lahat yung ingredients. And you guys are gonna see us put all of them here sa bowl. Yes! 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 So, wala pa akong gagawin. So, si Ate Mike yung head chef, ako po yung sous chef. So, di po kami expert. Kailangan po namin ng tulong ni YouTube.
Oily naman ang mukha ko, hindi man ako ready.
Dahil yan sa butter. On! So, taga-nod lang ako dito. Lily! Oh, sige ko. Okay, done with all the sugars. And
We're
then,
done!
That's all for this
Finish.
video. Butter. Galing siyang ref. Wow!
Try mo, kuha mo.
Para siyang honey ka mo.
Masyado na siyang lumamig though.
Yeah.
Sayang pag-melt natin. Lumamig. Nice that. Wow, sarap.
Buhos mo na.
Wait lang, idurugin mo muna.
Wow!
Ito yung ano eh. Ito yung nakakainis sa iba kasi hindi nila sinisimot. Dapat sinisimot.
Tapos habang nanonood tayo, kakainin natin yung cookies. Ay, yung chocolate pang cookies.
And then, what we will do is to add the egg. I don't know, pork.
So, dapat vanilla extract yan. Pero,
But we don't have. So
pero based kay Google,
we can
anong
use
tawag dun? Alternative for
maple.
vanilla extract is maple syrup.
And then we'll add the special ingredient.
Which is
Do not say.
pupu of lily. Wow!
Ito.
Ano yun?
Tadaan!
That's the special ingredient.
Kinamay.
Nagugas naman daw siya ng kamay, so... FYI pala... Ay, hindi ko alam. FYI pala sa amin to hindi to part ng batch na ibibenta, so... Paano pag biglang tumasik yan?
Game.
Eh! Ah! Wow!
Rain on me, rain on me, rain. Muna?
Yep, it's raining again. It's raining water, not men.
It's your single up.
Sayo tayo.
Hindi ako marunong. Paano ba to?
Hey! Hey! Next, you put the egg.
Wala. Hindi. Diyan lang. Basta i-hold mo lang yan.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans,
Bought this in Shopee.
Salt na? Why is this,
Mixing the ingredients. And then, this is baking powder, soda.
It's here. Tapos, if you put it there,
Ikaw
ang lalagay natin, half, lang daw. 1/4 to 1/4. Okay?
Balik pa dun. Ito pa yung camera. Ito, i-mix lang naman namin dito. Yun na nga, sinasabi. Rain on me, floor, floor. Uy, dapat masarap yan.
Let's put na this one.
Put the chocolate! Wow! Big Jim! Wow! Wow!
Gusin na ba natin?
Wala ko kasi. Kasi naman, ang init sa Pilipinas. Ito na. Ito. Dinis namin, no? Ulog na, binalik ko eh. Ano ba yan? Wow, this looks good!
Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, since we won't bake it yet, bakit ba ako nag-preheat? Paano ba? Cling wrap na lang. Just freeze pa natin per bilog.
Can you do that? Ayun mo. Wow! Wow! Galing, no? Hindi ko kaya yung papal. Ay! Hindi.
Kalat natin. Okay na to, even na yan, ha?
Ayan!
Sure ka, ha?
Sure na sure. Let's go and say hi. That's my kuya. Come here.
Shopee po, ang dami kong bagong store.
Shopee! What do you mean bagong store? Sa TikTok mo nahanap? Talaga? Cool. It's okay. It's my daddy. Spicy daddy.
Yan, tapos, ito yun, Nikki. Do it like this.
Do it what?
Like this! Tapos, i-ref natin per bilog.
Oh, it's so cute. Di naman nila nakikita eh.
Nga. Did you mix this ba?
No.
Parang it's not even.
Hello! Down there.
Nikki, ilan na yan?
Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Ma, say hi.
Dami ah.
Post-emergency po. I love you. Galing siyang vet kanina. I love you. Want cookies? Bawal din kayo. Cute na. Oh, sige. Ito nga pala yung damit ka.
Kaya maglalagyan kaya natin ng book.
Sorry, Heart. Lalagyan na namin ito.
Wow, look at our freezer. Wala. Yun lang. Kung malalagyan mo siya, kung may lalagyan ka.
Ayan, nasiksik kasama yung manok.
Overnight.
Okay, so that is it for day 1 of baking. So we will be back tomorrow in this next clip.
Jump. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, we're back in the kitchen. Sunday na. Lagay na namin sa ref yung cookies overnight para sure na yung dough natin malamig. Okay, time to cook the cookies.
It's been a good day, now it's time for us to celebrate. Let's hit the town, get ready now. I'll roll you one on the way. The night is young, down goes the sun. Now it's time to have some fun. Let's get high, tonight's the night. Let's smoke this and we can slide.
First batch of cookies!
How big?
So big! It broke.
Sabi sa'yo, hindi pa ready.
Oh!
Harap.
Wow!
Hindi pa ready. Masyado pang mainit. Tikim. Hop! Ang tamis.
Hop!
I don't dance, I can show you something else. I like to blow lines in the bathtub show. And if you wanna join me, you know I'm not selfish. My shit's way louder than everybody else's. Than everybody else's. Come on, than everybody else's.
Grabe guys, ang daming cookies.
Last time, popping bottles up in the air.
Clap your hands. Go out. So, this is our final product. Woo! Dun sa ginawa namin na ganung number of, ano yun? Amount of ingredients. We're able to make ilan pa? 25. Pero during the process, kumain na kami ng 3. So, ngayon,
Sila
yun,
din?
dito 4 pala. So, yun nandito ngayon, 21 na lang. So, ayan, masarap siya. It's very chewy, pero may... Pero may onting babaguhin, like bawasan yung sugar kasi masyadong matamis. And lagyan siguro ng flour para mas compact yung cookie. So, how was the experience, Sister Nim?
Okay lang. Please buy.
Yan. So, hintayin nyo na lang if ever ibibenta po ni Ate Mikey ang cookies na ito. Magbabay ka na. Di pa? Anyway, so that is
Hindi
it.
ka pa naliligo. Ako din.
Maligo ako mamaya. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below. And if may comments kayo, do it sa comment section down below as well. Okay. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Eat some cookies over there. Bye. Bye.